Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time now. I've been on like face to face to the camera to talk to you guys. So that yes, that I know. Can you just wait? So it's been a little bit over 2 months now, or close to 2 months, that I made video on my garden, like showing you guys my garden, what it's looking like. So, and I've been eating these tomatoes for a long time now. So what I decided to do a little bit of updates about the tomatoes to show you guys how the tomatoes is doing. So I'll be plugging the tomatoes today, and I'll be showing you guys what it looks like and what it has been like. Yes, so stay tuned. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, so let's go and get the tomatoes and the peppers and everything. I'll show you guys, and my rosemary, and already eaten all of the onions. Yeah, sorry guys, I already used all the onions in my garden, so I couldn't wait. Who is doing that? Don't break that plate or whatever it is. Okay.
Can you plug the green one?
No, we cannot plug the green one. So
Why?
because it's not ripe. So go ahead and plug some of these ones out there.
A butterfly. You gotta find mommy's tomato.
Where is the container? Where is? Can you open that up? Udoka. Oh, can I have the? Yeah. So be putting everything in there. So if Naya, you probably have to
kill the red ones with
okay,
you.
wait, I have to be careful because these ones are way inside. So those ones are way inside. I have to go get it.
Well, now we're trapped outside, guys. That door
This one is actually
and that door
almost overripe. Where is? Can I have the basket back or the?
that's almost overripe.
If you can reach it, go ahead and plug it.
Hey!
Let me see. Yeah.
It's so
Put it there.
big.
So let's keep hunting. Let's. I think there is one over here that I can't. Let's go over. Maybe we can get it through the other side. There's
Here. Guys,
there is one right here. Oops. I better not fall down. I must get it.
you better not fall down inside there.
Oh, got it.
What happened to the one that's right? That one. 1, 2.
I saw some here. Can somebody come plug this? Oh, look at that one there. Go ahead and get it. Make sure you're not getting the green one. Be careful. There. Put it. Go ahead and put it there.
8 of them. 8 of them.
And there is one here. Oh my God, there is one in there. Can somebody come reach the one in there?
What happened to
This one, something is about eating it. Put it in the basket there. Just put it in the bowl. Put everything together. We'll sort them out. So somebody should get those ones in there.
I got one.
Just keep putting it. There is two there. Get it.
You can get it through the fence as well.
Yeah, go ahead and put your hand and get it. Be careful not to plug the green ones. One at a time, so you don't. There.
Ooh, that one is supposed to be eaten. Okay, I don't want to hold this any longer.
Can you put it in the bowl? Let me see what you got. Okay, put it in the basket as well, in the bowl. So let's keep going. I think there's, oh my gosh, there's a whole lot of these tomatoes here. If Naya, look at that two right there. Yeah, just keep plugging them. I think, oh my god, some of them are even falling off and without us noticing.
Whoa, Chama, can you
Yeah,
please
that one
pick
fall off. Something ate that one up, so. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so huge. If not, what here? Take it down, put it in a bowl. Come and take these stuffs.
I found one that's too far into the garden.
Yeah, there. Here. This one is not that right, but that's okay. Oh Lord. You guys should be taking this from me. You guys are wasting time plugging them, so I have to do it myself. They're taking them, I'm plugging them, you take them.
Hey, I want to plug them. You take them. I plug them, you take them.
Can you bring the ball over here?
Mm-mm.
Go and bring the ball over this way because there's a whole lot of them here. Move. Leave it alone. Just put it down there. Let's keep plugging. We still have a lot more to go. Go, Kaya. We might need to get another ball. Which one? Look at this gigantic one. Oh my God. Look at that. That looks like my shadow is like all over the place. Look at that. It's like a purple tomatoes. Okay. Okay. Someone bring the bowl. That one.
I need water. Get on my I need hydration.
Okay. This is what we have gotten so far. So I have this. So when I was trying to reach the ripe one, I accidentally broke the unripe one, and my son also plucked this one. So we're hoping that they will still ripe inside the house, otherwise I can throw them away. So far, oops, we have gotten this much. Let me put these ones away. So far I can see what we have gotten. Yeah. So I think there is still more, like more that is way inside. So I hope you guys can see. We have tons and tons of tomatoes, yes, yet to be unplugged. This one seems like it's ready, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna plug it anyway. So this is my basil. I already cut them up like about 2 weeks ago, as you can see. So my hand are so dirty right now. So I already cut them up like 2 weeks ago, and they are growing back gradually. And here is my rosemary. There's my rosemary. The basil smells amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm seeing a whole lot of tomatoes. Shit, I lost my camera. Sorry guys, my camera just dropped. So, I'm just gonna leave that one alone. I don't think it's that ready. No. So there is some in here, but I'm kind of a little bit scared of going down there because there is some all these sharp plants that can easily cut someone's skin so bad. So but I'll find a way to reach that anyway, but later, not right now. So I'm over here. I'll go ahead and plug my pepper. So my pepper is doing very well. I don't know if you can see that. So look at the pepper. The green bell pepper. I don't know if you saw that right there. So all of them, every single one of them had something on it. And this is the jalapeno. Can you guys see that? So this is the jalapenos. Looking so good. So I don't even know what this one is called. I think this is the cayenne pepper. Something like that. And this one's. So they're doing very well. So as you can see, we have been plugging and eating from this pepper. So look at that. We have been plugging like every single time we need to cook. We come here to plug some tomatoes, peppers, onions, and this is also my rosemary. So this was the one I trimmed, the one that I cut off the last time. I think there's a lot of trees here that I need to cut up. I can see. So you have to take off all these unwanted plants. So this is my rosemary, and this one too, another rosemary. So I'll be cutting those up as well. Alright guys, this is all I got from my garden today, the tomato hunt. So this is it. This one kind of look like something, you know, this one has coronavirus. Anyway, so these are all I got today from my garden, and I'm so happy that these tomatoes, the garden is doing very well. Look at that. This is like purple tomatoes, so big. So I got like 2 just for today alone. And we've been eating these tomatoes for like the past 1 month now. We've been eating the tomatoes, like going there to get whatever we need. And these are the peppers. So this is the jalapeno, the green bell pepper. So this one is really big, like very, very big. So I have like 4 of those. This one is very little, so it was kind of looking kind of funny, so I have to plug it anyway. So and that's it for the peppers. Then the next one I have I think this is a cayenne pepper. I think this is cayenne pepper. I can't even remember the name. There's a name tag on it, but I don't have it right here. But anyway, yeah, that's the pepper. There's more of that, but I said to plug just a little bit for now. And this one. So these are like different kinds of peppers. So these ones are the same. And these are all jalapenos. So that's a large amount of jalapenos that I got for today. So there is still more there, but they are not this big, so they are still growing, so I just decided to leave them alone. So that's it. And this one, you know, when they get too big, something start eating them up. So this one was about being destroyed by one ant that is not scared of death, because this is jalapeno. Jalapenos are very spicy, but whatever that was eating it didn't care. And that's it for my peppers. That's it. And the next one I have here is my rosemary leaf. So this rosemary leaf. So I'll go ahead and wash this up properly. Like I'll wash them very well because they're pretty much dirty. You can see some sands. So they have some dirty stuff on it. So I'll go ahead and soak this in the water for maybe an hour or so. Then after that, I'll wash them. I might decide to just, I'm not sure what I will be doing. Probably it will be better to just put them, after I wash them, put them in the Ziploc and put them in my freezer. Or I can as well use my dehydrator. Just go ahead and dehydrate all of them and put them in the Ziploc as all. Then put them in a little, just make like rosemary flakes. I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I will dehydrate them and put them in a dehydrator and use them to make rosemary flakes, something like that. So guys, I hope you guys had fun with this tomato hunt or garden hunt, whatever you can call it. So we had a lot of fun with my kids. The weather is really very hot, so they have all went inside. So I'm still out here trying to get things done. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So we don't want to miss the good stuff that I'll be making with these tomatoes. So it's gonna be so yummy, so you don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss all the updates about the cooking. So guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, after 2 days, like 2 days later, I went back to my garden and I have another 2 bowls, like large bowl of tomatoes that is already ripe. So that's making it total 4. So I wasn't sure of what to do with all these tomatoes, so I decided to make tomato paste. So yeah, I decided to use them to make a tomato paste, and it was so amazing. So the recipe for that is coming up soon, and you don't want to miss that. Yes, you don't want to miss that recipe, the tomato paste. So I will show you guys from step to step how you can make tomato paste. So stay tuned, the recipe is coming soon, the video is coming up soon.